Preparing a tabletop exercise often takes longer than conducting the exercise itself. Maps need to be prepared, slides need to be created, scenario injects need to be organized. Resources, hazards, operational constraints, and incident developments all need to be planned before the session can begin. And when the exercise takes an unexpected direction, static materials can quickly become outdated, reducing realism and limiting the value of the discussion. STRX Tabletop provides a faster and more flexible way to design, manage, and deliver emergency response exercises. Running entirely through a browser, the platform enables organizations to rapidly build visual scenarios and maintain a dynamic common operating picture without specialist software or complex setup requirements. Start by selecting the operational environment. This could be an airport, refinery, petrochemical facility, industrial plant, marine terminal, logistical hub, emergency training ground, or any other operational location. The initial incident can then be created directly within the scene. Place fires, explosions, damaged assets, hazardous material releases, casualties, infrastructure failure, restricted areas, exclusion zones, or any other conditions relevant to the exercise objectives. Operational resources can then be deployed into the scenario, including the appliances, ambulances, rescue teams, police units, hazardous material teams, command vehicles, casualty collection points, staging areas, evacuation zones, and emergency operation centers. Critical infrastructure, access routes, hazard zones, operational sectors, and resource locations can be clearly identified, ensuring all participants maintain a shared understanding of the incident throughout the exercise. The result is improved situational awareness and a clear visual representation of the developing emergency. But the scenario does not remain static. As participants assess information, establish priorities, and implement response strategies, the operator can update the operational picture in real time. A fire can escalate and threaten adjacent assets. A hazardous release can expand beyond initial containment measures. Critical access route can become compromised. Infrastructure can fail. Additional casualties can be identified. Weather conditions can deteriorate. Mutual aid resources can arrive on scene. Operational assets can be redeployed as incident priorities change. These updates can be introduced within seconds, allowing the exercise to evolve in response to participant decisions and incident actions rather than following a predetermined sequence of slides. This creates a more realistic environment for testing command and control arrangements, resource allocations, emergency response procedure, interagency coordination, communication protocols, and strategic decision-making. The facilitator remains focused on exercise objectives, operational discussions, and performance evaluation, while the operator manages the evolving incident environment and visual common operating picture. Participants no longer need to rely on static maps or verbal description to understand the incident. Instead, they can observe incident escalation, resource movements, operational constraints, and response actions as they occur, supporting better situational awareness and more informed decision-making. Whether supporting an emergency operations center, incident management team, crisis management team, or multi-agency coordination exercise, STRX Tabletop provides a powerful platform for validating plans, assessing preparedness, identifying capability gaps, and improving operational readiness. With STRX Tabletop, organizations can significantly reduce exercise preparation time, create more realistic and dynamic scenarios, strengthen stakeholder engagement, and deliver more effective emergency response exercises directly through the browser. Build scenarios faster, enhance situational awareness, strengthen operational readiness, improve decision-making. Try STRX Tabletop today at structurist.com. For more information or to arrange a demonstration, contact us at info@structurist.com.